You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation: baseball stadium in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. If you want to learn more confusing names from baseball and more names of famous places in the US, stay tuned. So the local American English pronunciation: Citizens Bank Park. Citizens Bank Park. In British English should be said more as Citizens Bank Park. Citizens Bank Park or Citizens Bank Park. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.